Okay, nasabdan class?
Yes, ma'am.
Kuha yung assignment. Alright. Sige, mag-check ta number, Okay. Ay, natin. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Bakit daw
Yes.
ma'am?
Okay. All right. So we have here. Okay. Now let's go to our Okay. Nakita ninyo ako screen? Okay. Okay, so we have here number 1. Okay, so we are asked in our assignment, in our homework, we are asked to complete the table. We have IUPAC name, the condensed structure, line structure, and then the complete structure. Okay, so we have number 1. We are given with, okay, wait, sulat. Okay, so in number 1, we are given with, ouch, with this one. Okay, CH3, CH2, 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 and CH. Okay. Now, naglisod mo answer ani class wala? In number
Naglisod,
1,
ma'am.
is it easy?
Naglisod good, ma'am.
Naglisod ako.
Okay. Have you watched the
Naglisod
video?
ma'am. Naglantaw mi ma'am.
Then, how was it? How was it, Joyce and Baldo? How was the videos?
Kaya ma'am, sabdan ra siya, ma'am, pag mulantaw kag video, tas makaansiran ra dugayan, ma'am.
Very good, yes. Tinood. What about Christopher? Okay. All right, that's it, Christopher. Now let's go. So we are
Ma'am, nagisod kayo jud. Matabang.
kinsa to? Lisod kayo. Okay. Now, constant practice lang class. Then, okay. Now we have, okay, so we are asked to, let's write that one first. Okay, that is CH3 CH. Okay, class. So, makita ra akong gisulat.
Yes, ma'am.
Dili kay ma'am. Hanap, ma'am. Blurred, ma'am.
Hanap, ma'am.
Ma'am, di maklaro, ma'am. Ma'am, hanap, ma'am.
The first thing to do is we count how many carbon atoms are there. So, okay, now class, we have rules in naming hydrocarbons or organic compounds. Chain of carbons. Okay, let's find. Okay, we have CH3. Okay, we are given with ano? Okay. Okay, class. So first thing to do is one, find longest chain of carbons. So we have how many? Okay, let's name this one class. So as we can see, this is just a straight chain. It's just straight. Okay, so first thing is, so this is our longest chain. And then we have to name the longest chain of carbons. When we name the longest chain, we will count how many carbons, right? Okay, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it has 5 carbons. Now, when it has 5 carbons, okay, okay, class, see this one? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you see that one. So it has 5 carbon. When it has 5 carbon, what what prefix should we use?
Pen, ma'am, pen.
Pent. Okay.
Pen, ma'am.
Right. So we will write. Okay. We will write that one. This is a pent. Okay. And then let's go back. So after you name that one, look for the double bind, triple bind, or and tell where they are. Okay, is there a double bind? Is there a double bond? Now, class, when you are given with this and it has no double bind or triple bind, then we can assume that this is just as all bind. And then when it is all single bond, the type of chain we have is an alkane. Alkane. Okay, when we have an alkane, so we write it as ane. Ane. So class, this one is our pentane. Okay? Okay. So please check. So naka-check mo tanan. Okay. So that is so this is our IUPAC name. Okay. So check your work if you got the correct answer. Then we have okay. So we will draw the line structure. Okay, line structure. So how would we do that, class? Okay, class, when drawing a line structure, remember just, okay, we have here the C. Okay, so the first point is your carbon. So we have carbon 1, and then we form a bond. Then the point here again is your carbon. Then how many carbons all in all? We have 2. We have carbon 1, and then we have C2. Then we have another line, which is a bond. Then when you stop, okay, so the point there is another carbon. Then another line, which is a bond. And then we have our carbon. Okay, we have carbon here and we have carbon here. So how many carbons we have in line bond structure?
Five, ma'am.
Five.
Five, ma'am. Five.
Okay, 5. Yes. Alright, now since this is a line band structure, dili na lang nato siya isulat ang C. Okay, that one. Alright, that one. Okay, but ano jud ha class imaginary that this has a carbon. Carbon na siya, carbon. Carbon and the carbon. So the line are the bonds. Bonds ra ng line. The intersection are the point where they meet, where the two lines meet, it has carbons in it. Okay. So, if you naka-answer mo ani the line bond structure. Okay, that is
Yes, ma'am.
okay, very good. Now we are asked again to complete the complete structure. Okay, when we are asked of the complete structure class, ano ra siya? Pwede ra pod in forma or just a straight line. Okay, let's do it in just a straight line. Okay, so we have here since 5 man kasi 5 ka carbon, so we will write 5. or 5. And then remember that our carbon can accommodate 4 bonds. So we have bond 1, bond, have 1 bond. One has also 4. Naana siya ito. We'll just put then bond, 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 then bond, then bond. So 3 pa siya, so dapat 4, butangan nato dira. We are asked of the complete structure hydrogens. All right, so let's write the hydrogens. So we have H, 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 H. Okay, H. All right, now if we have written then you are correct, then you will your works class. Ay na wrong. 2 points.
Ma'am, di makita na.
Oh God. Then we have 2 points. Di makita. Ha? Wait. Okay. Okay, kana class. Makita?
Yes, ma'am. Kita na, ma'am.
Okay, so kinsay na wrong? Sige, be
Wala, ma'am.
honest. And if you got wrong, wala. Wow. Pero nakasabot tanan. Basin po, wala na wrong kay nag-copy ra. Then, wa po nakasabot. Ang importante siya na class makasabot mo.
Correct me, ma'am.
Sa ayupak,
Correct me, ma'am.
Back.
2 points gihapon eh.
Ang unsa.
Gali nagakuan ko.
Sa ayupak ni
Unsa
number 1, ma'am ba? 2 points ra gihapon.
Yes, 2 points. Ayupak name. Then the line structure, 2 points. And then we have the complete. That's 2 points too. Okay, so let's go back.
2 points ra ni.
Oh, then we have number, class, you ask question if what mo nakagets. Okay, this one class, we are given in number 2, we are given with the complete structure. Okay, so let's answer that one. We have how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 siya nga straight. So let's write that one. Oh no. We have C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have here another carbon here. Okay. Then we will write the wala na ilaing class no alkyl group. Okay, so let's write H. Okay, when you write class complete structure, do you do like this too? H. We have also H here. And then we have H. Then H. Then H. So the first thing to do is you find the longest chain of carbons. So what is the longest chain, class? Is it a straight line? Is it this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's not. So it's not kay 5 ra kabuk iyang ma-count na to nga carbon. Now, first thing to do, good class, is you find the longest chain. Now, what if we write, we count from here. We count from here. 1 and then down, down, down. Okay. So if we have that one, how many carbons na ma-form na to?
6, ma'am.
6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 6.
Seven.
Okay. So asa man ta
Seven.
count? 7? Og diri na tagikan, class, diri tagikan. 6 ra, di naman natin ni ma-count. Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
diri
6
tagikan. Okay, so pwede class diri ta no, pwede ta diri or pwede ta diri, diretso ta magsugod. Og count. We have
Right side, ma'am.
right, ngano day ko sa left.
Sa right,
Kung
ma'am,
diri
kay
day
dool
ko,
ang... Sa right, ma'am, kay dool ang... Sige na nga.
Ang
yes,
substituent.
perfect. Wow, Jodimer. Wow, very nice. Okay, dito ta sa right because dool, pinakadool ang atong substituent. When we count, let's make sure that our substituent has the pinakadool, pinakagamay siya na count. Example here, kay kung there is a right, ikapila ang substituent, it's in 3, carbon 3. Unlike if we count from the left, mahimo na siyang carbon, a substituent na sa atong carbon 4. 3, 4. And 4 is greater count from 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we have 6 carbons. When we, what prefix should we use?
Hex, ma'am,
Hex.
hex.
We have
Hex.
hex. Okay, we have hex. Now let's write hex. Okay. And so this is our first name. Ano itong pangalan? What will be our last name? This is what type of chain na present, ani?
Pen. Alkane, ma'am.
We have, since we have an alkane, okay, since we have an alkane, we will use ane. We will use ane. Okay, so let's add ane. And then, so that is a hexane. Now, what about the substituent, class? Okay, so we will write the substituent. So we have, what is this? What group is this? It's a only one carbon present. So this one is a
Methyl, ma'am.
Methyl, ma'am.
methyl. Okay, this one is our methyl. So we will write that one. We have Okay. And then we will also write the location. Okay. So what carbon atom does the methyl, it is in carbon?
Carbon 3, ma'am.
That's why we will write methyl IUPAC name. If you got it correctly, then 2 points. Okay, question. It's for methyl kinsay nag wala. Wow. Okay. Asked also to write the condensed structure. Okay, in writing the condensed structure, class, is no, we will just follow this one. It has 6. Okay, so in writing condensed structure, that will be C. Okay. We will write first the carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have here 1 and 2. Okay, so we write H3, H2, H2, and then this one. This one also is H3. So, pila na lang mabuhat ani niya nga carbon here. Isa na lang kay because it has bond here. This carbon has only one hydrogen attached since it is attached to an ethyl group. Okay, so we have CH3, then CH2. So this is our condensed structure. Correct? Okay, now we will have the line structure. Okay, for the line structure, again, remember that the point is your carbon. So we have 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it says in carbon 4, we have 2 carbons attached. So we will have 1. And then we will have this one. Okay. So this is our line structure. Question.
Ma'am. Ma'am, nakapangunta na, ma'am. Nani ba, ma'am, oh?
Sa to, Nancy, di ko...
Lahi man gud ang kuan
i-open cam yung mga...
diri, ma'am, oh.
Nadili ko kadungog, isula daw.
Lahi ako, ah.
Ano sa'yo mo question, Nancy?
Wait lang. Wait lang, mama. Nani, ma'am, oh? Wrong na, ma'am. Dire, oh, dire. Gisumpay mo guna ko, ma'am. Kanay bang sa kuan sa Kani, ma'am, oh. Gisumpay. Wala na akong gisumpay. Gikuan.
Ay, okay, wait. Sige, giyon sa nimo pagkuan, picture daw. Ay, giana nimo Nancy no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then giana. Kani?
Yes, ma'am. Nana, ma'am ako, ma'am.
Kini
Wrong na,
kani.
ma'am. Nani ako, ma'am. Mo katong imong gigikaduha, ma'am.
Ay, kaduha imuha. Okay. So let's ask Danica. Danica, is it correct? Correct ang answer ni Kuan ni Nancy kung ang iyahang line band structure is this one kaning black ikaduha. Danica,
Wa ko'y sure, ma'am. Sir.
correct Danica?
Wa ko'y sure, ma'am. Wrong man atay ang bot.
Correct. Okay, so let's ask someone na pod. Okay, we have Joyce Ann. Hello, Joyce Ann. Now, is it correct kung ang iyang answer is kani ikaduhan natong gidrawing na line structure?
Correct, raman nga ma'am.
Correct, ra tingali. Oh,
Kuan, ma'am,
parihara. Now, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Lang, okay. Okay na, ma'am.
Alright, so now class, if you have this structure, remember if when we write that, okay, when we write that into a complete structure, sabi, we'll have, oh no, we will have H2, CH2, and then 1, 2, 3. One, mahimo na siya. Mo na siya class I. CH3. Then kanipod CH3. Unya, the same day sila class. Same sila sa kuan. Same sila ani. Ang pasabot class kay kani nga CH3 ni connect diri.
Dili
Class.
kita, ma.
Oh God. Kita. Wait. Okay, we have this one. Kana makita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, my question is number 1. Is number 2 the same to number 1? This number 1. This is number 2. Is it the same? Class? No, they are not the same class. Look. 2 ang naa di ari class. CH2. And then if we go here, na mo siya CH3. CH3. And then when we look back, na siya H diri. And then sa na siya H. Wa na siya H. Okay, wa siya H diri oh. So class, this if your answer is this one, nagpasabot mga good class ka ang CH3 kay ni connect siya sa carbon 4 or carbon 2. Ang CH3 ni CH3 ang ni connect sa carbon 2 kung kani ang atong answer. But here, when we have this, ano siya? If we have this one, ang kani nga carbon, ethyl kung kani siya. But pag kani is not the same. Okay? Okay, class, do you have question pa jud na guess wrong? Anong dili sila the same?
Ma'am, excuse me. May nakoy question, ma'am.
Oh,
Kanang ma'am sa
yes,
kana bang
Kanyete.
line structure for sa ama mo gud ma'am kay isa ra ka linya siya ma'am ba din kanang asa na dapat ba lang CH2 ma'am apil na siya kanang dapat nga linya sa CH2
Line
nga blue color
structure.
blue. Yes ma'am sa line structure.
Oh. Gisumpay, wala man ako nagisumpay. Kani?
Ay kanang ma'am
Oh, dili ara tama. Erase na ko ni B. Diyan na ha. Stage 2. Ang answer should class is this one ra. Okay. We have this one. Oh.
dili makita ma'am o dili makuan.
Kana. Nakita?
Okay ma'am. For example ma'am wala na siyang kanang nasa backlist ma'am ubos sa CH2.
Oh.
Dili siya
Pag
kuan
wala.
ma'am, dili siya. Yes
Wala
ma'am.
ang bag list. Unsa ra inyong class? Kuan ra? Ana ra?
Linya ra siya
One.
ma'am.
Ana ra? Then unsa? Ana?
Dayon siya. Yes ma'am, kana ra ma'am.
Ma'am, ana mo
Kanira?
ako
Yes ma'am, wala siya backlist diha sa kuan.
O di, pasabot ani class CH3 ra taman. Kanira ang inyong gikuan. Okay, wait ha. So kanira.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Nagpasabot ana class is ano? Kay CH3 ra ni siya. Pasabot ani CH3 ra. Wala na ka ethyl. Methyl man di ba ang isa ka line methyl?
Amazing.
Oh.
Ma'am.
Okay. So pasabot kay kung kana nga structure kanira ang ato ang kuan. Mo ni akong atong condensed structure. Kina dili ba kini atong condensed structure? Kung oh god. Class? Kung kanira inyong answer, ano siya? Ang pasabot kay isa ra ka inyong substituent murag kani. Inyong substituent is just methyl, CH3 ra. Okay ha?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So kung ethyl gali mo muli linya na pud mo.
1
Okay,
point
ma'am.
na nanyanak, ma'am.
Right?
Say 1 point, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 point lang.
1 point lang, ma'am. Para yung ma-zero, ma'am.
Point.
pila ka point na, ma'am.
Sa class, basta remember kada line na ninyo class ha, that's kano na siya. Pag line na bitaw, that's CH3 ang ano na siya, CH3. CH3 isa man kala niya kay inyo mang kano ra niyo CH3. So dapat muliko pa mo para na ano po siya CH2. Okay.
So, wrong na mo, ma'am, wrong.
Yes, wrong ni siya but
1 point,
next time
ma'am.
hindi should. Oh. Okay.
Ma'am, na 1 point.
1.2.
Hangi, Jud.
Malamang, buto ka.
Then join. Any class different ni siya. Wrong jud tayo siya. Wrong ni siya. Kani pa wrong pero tagaan ta mo 1 point kung kani. Okay. Okay. So okay na. Number 3 na ta. Okay, number 3. If we are given with this, class, number 3. Yes, or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so if we have number 3, ano sa drawing niya? ato i-draw. 8 is, okay, let's count. Bibalik. 1, 6 ang straight. 1. Okay, we have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we have a line here. Then we have a line here. And then
Dili
here.
siya makita, ma'am.
Wala mi nakita, ma'am.
Oh. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Structure class in number 3. Now, let's count. Okay, first rule of carbons. Okay, class. If we have this one. Okay. Kani ba straight chain? Longest? Class? Okay, let's count. Asa ta mag-count una?
Right, ma'am.
Nasa?
Sa right, ma'am. Right.
Sa right. Okay. Now let's try kung sa right. So let's count. 1. And then 3. Unsa pa naog dili? 4. And then 5 kana class?
No, ma'am, no.
Dili.
Dili,
ma'am.
ma'am. Dili, ma'am. Sa babaw,
Dili.
ma'am. Up.
Babaw. 4 kani?
Pa-zigzag siya.
And 6 kani? Or 2,
Oo.
3, 4. So asa ta dapit class?
Loading. Loading pa, ma'am. Dili na makita, ma'am. Loading pa, ma'am.
Murag delay ang screen, ma'am. Delay,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Class, okay na? Kita
Na,
na?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kita na, ma'am.
Okay. So, we have this one. Okay. So, asa man ta mag-count class? Kani sa red o kani yellow?
Yellow. Yellow.
Red, ma'am.
Yellow,
Ha?
ma'am. Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow, ma'am.
Yellow.
Hello.
Okay, let's try sa yellow. Okay, so let's have parent chain sa atong in-name class. Okay, so what's the name of this since it has 6 carbons? So this is
Hex, ma'am.
hex. Okay, and then it has single bond raman siya. We have
Ain, ma'am, ain.
hexane. Perfect. So this is a hexane. Okay, now this time class, let's look for the substituent. Now class, when you name class, remember Jude na to make sure that you will have the least Least substituents, least location of substituents. Okay. Now let's count from ano siya? From yellow. Yellow tagikan ha. Now, what will be the
Yes, ma'am.
substituents? We have, what are the substituents in yellow? If we count the from yellow, kaning yellow nga number. We have,
3 and 5, ma'am. 3 and 5.
okay, 3. Unsa man ang nasa 3? 3. 3. Unsa man na name? Okay, this one. What name? What's
Ethyl,
the,
ma'am.
this one sa kani? What's this?
Methyl, man. Methyl.
Methyl, ma'am.
3-methyl. Okay, 1. Mo to ganina classroom mo kay linear ra methyl na siya. And then we have also 3. This one. That is
Ethyl, ma'am. Ethyl.
ethyl. Perfect. Okay, then we have ano? This one. 5.
Methyl, ma'am.
Methyl. Okay, so that's it. Now, what about if sa yellow na punta class? Yellow. Now, let's have yellow. Kung yellow ay sa red ta class, red. So, in red, the substituents are
2 and 4, ma'am.
2 and 4. Okay, so 2, unsay na 2? 2 methyl.
Methyl.
And then we have 4. Unsa ang 4? Methyl again.
Metal.
ma'am.
Methyl. And then this one. 4
Ethyl.
ethyl.
ma'am.
Okay. Now let's sum it up, class. Let's have a sum. 4 plus 4.
8.
8, ma'am.
Plus 2, that is 10.
Yeah.
Now, if we have this blue, 3 plus 3,
6. 11.
then you 5,
11.
11. Okay, so asa man ta mag-count so good class? Katong?
Sa red, ma'am. Sa red.
Ma'am.
Okay.
So red, guys, so may highest.
Kay
11.
Hexen, ma'am.
Lowest
Kay
class, lowest.
Lowest 10, ma'am. Sorry.
Oh, so
Then,
dapat
ma'am,
lowest. So, sa red, tama, count. Okay, and then, we will, okay, so unsa to isulat there, class? Let's name it na. So, we will have, okay, we have how, we have, okay, so that is, in the red, we have 2, na class, when after gid sa kaning number, you put dash, 2-methyl, then class, i-write na to siya. Okay. 2-methyl then ta sugod class. When we write the substituents, it should be in alphabetical order. So, it's not 2-methyl. What comes first, ethyl or methyl?
Ethyl, ma'am.
Ethyl, ma'am.
Ethyl.
Okay, so we
For
have
ethyl, ma'am. For ethyl.
ethyl. That dash again. Okay, for ethyl. Then the methyl. We have 2. Isulat na to daan ang location, class.
For.
Then class, duha man sila kabuk ha. We will write
Di, ma'am.
duha man.
Daima.
Dimethyl,
Okay.
ma'am.
Dimethyl, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Alright,
di
so
di
this,
pa maklaro ma'am di sulat.
Ma'am, ang kuan, ma'am.
Ma'am, wala.
Pilit pa ma'am.
ipilit ko. Wait.
Makita.
Okay. That one. Wait sa... Okay, class, ready. Kita na.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have 4 ethyl, 2, 4. Ano naman ang 2, 4 class? The 2 and the 4. The location, no? The location of methyl. Ganun, diamond class.
Kay duha man, ma'am.
Kay duha man kami siya, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay. Dimethyl, then we have hexane. Okay, so in a name just like your name, this is your last name. Last name, then this is your first name, and then this is your prefix. Prefix. So, for example, miss. Taas kayo. Okay, so that is 4-ethyl, 2,4-dimethyl hexane. Any question? Class, question. Walay question. Check tanan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, excuse. Sige, go.
Nauna mong dimethyl, ma'am, kaysa sa ethyl.
Nauna ang dimethyl. Na, class, when you write the substituents, class, una i-alphabetical ninyo, class. Alphabetical. Unsa man, hinuon, ang dimethyl ug ang ethyl, una jud ang di kaysa sa ethyl. Di good and E. No, dili ninyo i-include class ang di. Dili include ang di, dili include ang tri. Ang inyong basihan is the kanirang alkyl groups, the methyl and the ethyl. Disregard the di. So, unsa una nga sa alphabet, it's ethyl, letter E and letter next with ikaduha ang M. So, dapat una jud ang ethyl. Dili pwede mauna ang dimethyl. Okay. Pero, sige, 1 point sa na karon. Next time, di na pwede.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, pero nakasabot, naka-janlo nga. Dapat
Yes,
una
ma'am.
jud ang
Sabtan
ethyl.
ra, ma'am.
Okay. So, what's important, makasabot mo. Okay, what else? Who else pa na pa question? Walay dash, ma'am. Kinsa walay dash?
Ma'am, why dash?
Okay, dapat na adyo'y dash. 2 points lang yapon, walay dash. Pero dapat na adyo'y dash na siya. After
Yes, ma'am.
ha, okay, mag-separate ta og number and then letter, dash gamiton. If mag-separate tag numbers and numbers, we have example 2, 4, kama lang ang gamiton. Walay kama. Kinsa walay kama? Si Denrix? Okay. So, walay kama. That's still 2 points. Pero, next time, naadyo dapat. Ma'am, gipang bulag-bulag, ma'am, ang words. Gihimong 3 words. Gihimong 2 words. Kinsa ga 2 words?
2 words. Oh, 2 words. 3 words. Oh, wala siya gisumpay, ma'am. Pwede ra siya, ma'am. Ang, for example, ang first na gisulat is 4-ethyl. Then, ang sa ubos, 2, then 4, dimethylhexane.
Okay. So, sige, 2 points lang gihapon. Pero, dili jud pwede siya ibulag. Isa jud na siya ka word nga taas kayo.
2 points din siya tanan, ma'am. Kani siya sa IUPAC name.
Oh, kanaayo pack name, 2 points na siya. Okay, kung inyong gibulag-bulag, mo 3 words lang sa karon and then next time, di jud siya pwede bulagon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So let's go back. No questions. Na. Then unsa pa answer na to? Sunod ani. We have condensed structure, no? Okay. we have the condensed structure. So in writing the condensed structure class, nakasabot naman ka mo class. Kanisang unahon na ni mga nag-straight. Musulat diay ko na ha. 1, 1, 2, 6 dito. 6. Mga substituents na dayon. Kani kay na kuan. Ana din ko. Ngayon, sunod na pod. Kanina po dayong ay kadre. Ikaw pa dati na po siya dire. Okay. So, mo na class mo. CH3 ni siya. Kani kay CH2 ni siya. Kani kay kuan naman ni upat na for di na nako CH3. Patakan ako siya CH3 diri.
Excuse me,
Then
ma'am.
we have CH3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
pilit na po ang screen. Ming pilit na po,
Sige,
ma'am.
wait sa Okay. Wait a minute. Okay na. Okay. Then we have butangan na po dahil ako di siya diri. Kani class di na ako ni butangan kay naa na good 1 2 gikuha na niya din apay 1 2 diri di na niya na siya H. Kaya butangan na po ako nig H2. Kani H na lang ni kay gikuha na niyang isa ka band. CH3. Then we have CH3. Inana na pagsulat class. Okay, did you write this in any point in yung pagsulat?
Ma'am, kaning substituent sa kuan ba, ma'am? Sa fifth carbon. Nasa ubos, ma'am. Okay ra, ma'am?
Uy. Ano up or down, pwede ra. What else?
Okay, ma'am.
Ay, sa down man, pwede pag-drawing na ito, no? Sige, down din siya. Oh. Pero pwede parihar, gyapon na siya class. Okay. Sige, kinsay na wrong?
Ang kanang kuan ba ma'am o kanang sa ubos ma'am kanang kuan na baylo ang tuog ang 3 okay ra na ka ma'am?
Nabaylo ang 2 o 3. Oh God. Dako na siya wrong. We have ano na ang kani mong pasabot. Nabaylo
Kanang
ang
sa
2 o
ubos,
3. Kani akong gisirkulan? Og yellow?
Dili wala may nakabutang circle ma'am na murag
Basta kaning
Ay,
ethyl group,
oh yes
group.
ma'am kana ma'am.
Nabaylo
Yes,
ang
ma'am, kana,
ang
ma'am.
3 daan then nahimong nabaylo ang 3 og 2. Okay, so that will be wrong
Yes,
na siya
ma'am.
class kay ano man na nga carbon ha ato ning isulat. Kani nga carbon ning connect dadto. So example kanita nang naadri is R. Okay, the example that is R. Then kanina po siya ni connect na po siya sa H. Ay sa C sa C. Ni connect siya dira. Then kanina po siya nga carbon naa pa siya H. Then diri na pod H na pod kay duha man na siya dapat. Unya ang nahitabo kay nahimong tulo ang H sumiana na pod siya diri class. Look what happened. Pila naman ka band ang nahimo sa carbon? Nahimo nang 1 2 3 4 5. Then kay duha ra man ka H. Kanira tulura ni siya yung bonding diri. Tulura ka bonds ana form diri. Then ang sa pikas isa kay upat ka bonds. Is it correct? Okay, correct na class. We have Cyril Ozarga. Is it correct? Nabaylo ang 3 ug 2.
Di, ma'am.
Okay, dili. Kay mahimo naman siya ang carbon noon. Mahimo ng 5 bonds. Kunya, isa ka carbon, 3 bonds ra. So, dapat dili jud nimo siya iilis. Okay. Kinsa to? Nag-answer ato? Now, pero if nailis nimo, at least, kasabot na, nakabalo na ka. Okay, kung
Gets
nailis,
na gamay.
okay, that's still 2 points gihapon. But next time, di should siya pwede yun class. Okay, di siya pwede. Alright, but still 2 points. Okay, now let's go back. Condensed structure. The class. Let's write the complete structure. Okay, so for the complete structure, easy. Complete structure, gyapon ako class, magsulat ako ana siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have here, kay mo na dira, bond ni siya diri, mukani, muana na po ni siya. Okay, then 5. Diri no? Napo ni siya C diri, then na po siya E, diri bond. Sure ko H na. Okay. Then, bond. Okay, then mo bond na po ni siya. Okay, that's it. Then mo bond na po ni siya diri C. Kaning C kay mo ana ni siya kay 4 ni siya. Kani. Okay, class. Then after that, class, i-distribute na lang din ninyo ang H. Okay. Na-gets your class? Then we write H dayon. We have H. Then we have here H. Then H. Okay, so kinsay correct?
Wrong ko, ma'am.
Ha? Okay, kinsay wrong?
Ako, ma'am. Siligaw, ma'am.
11.
Okay, what happened din sa imong Haranel? Giyon sa nimo?
Perting wrong ako, ma'am.
Ivan. Okay, pero Ivan, nagka-gets na, kagiunsara na ako, di ba? Gisulatan na ako pila ka carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then ako din na siyang gipambutangan nga, ang kaning carbon, upat lagi na siya kalinya. Linyahan ako, linya. Pero nahon sa pod na ako itong mga substituents daan. Yak kita ka, Ivan, giyon sa nako pagsulat ang kuan, complete structure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
L. Okay.
Sa number 3 na siya, ma'am.
Oh, number 3.
Ay, correct day ko, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Alright. Okay, pero si Ivan na wrong dyan si Ivan.
Nasaan ko, ma'am, oy?
Wrong. O, pero kagets na ka, di ba? Sa inyo kay gisulat ra na ako mga carbon class, carbon din. Ang carbon, timanan jud nato na nga, upat ra jud kabok na yung bond. Upat ra jud na. Then, we put na din H. Okay? So, let's go na. Alright. Number 3, paghihapon to. Then, we have another page. Okay, so we have number 4 na class. Okay, in number 4, we are given with, we are given with 2,2-dimethylhexane. 2,2 2 is 2 dimethyl. Okay. So first thing, if we will have in the hex. So once 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alkane man siya. Single bond, single bond. Okay. This one. We're going to write the complete structure anyhow. This one. Okay. And then we have written that one. Substituents class. 2. Where is 2, 2? Now, if we count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parihar man gyapon class og magkuan ko diri count ko from the right to the left. So let's put it. We have 2, 2 dimethyl, 2, 2. Methyl man class. Let's write the methyl. We have 2. Then yapon sinapod. Okay. 2, 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And then gani nga si kay mo band. Yes.
Pilit na pud siya, ma'am.
Dipilit na pod.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay, okay. Sige, wait na lang nato. Ay, wait na. Okay, nakita na.
Yes, ma'am. Nana, ma'am.
Okay, so I've written that one class. Okay na. Ato yung ibutang 2, 2 man siya. 2, 2 ka methyl. So ibutang na to 1, 2. Then we distribute the H na po dayon. So, okay. H, H, H. Okay, kinsay check aning complete structure of 2, 2 dimethylhexane.
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
na-check na gyud ko gamay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, nabali, ma'am. Left. Ang kanang bitang nasa substituent, ma'am, kay nasa right, ma'am.
Oh, okay gihapon. Okay gihapon. Which bisan asa
Yes.
count. Nagsugod ka count no. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 ana. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, ana ma'am.
Dimethyl. Okay, so that's it. And then we will find the line bond structure. For the line bond structure, simple. We have 6 man daw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 2. Sa 2 man daw. Okay. Pwede ana. 1, 2. Pwede ana class. 1, 2. 6. Pwede ani class. Okay. So, kinsay naka-check?
Ako, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Pero kinsay nag-answer og ani? Kaning letter B nga atong kung gisulat.
Amo ma'am, bali ma'am, bali.
Oh, bali pa din ha, naa diri. Okay, okay gihapon.
Ma'am.
Because sa bali man mo na-count.
Di ako.
Kinsay nag-answer og B?
Ako, ma'am.
May
Let ang
ma'am.
A. Kasagara A ang answer.
B, ma'am.
Ay,
Kuha,
B.
ma'am.
B,
B.
ma'am. Bali.
Oh, sige, okay ra. Okay ra kay nag-count man mo diri sa ano, sa to the right. Ay, to the left, right to the left. Okay. All right. So, let's go. That's still 2 points. Now, let's go number 5 na tanong. Number 5. Any question? Okay, number 5. We are asked of number 5 and it is... Okay, let's count na siya. Alright, so let's write it sa... We have... Ano siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 2 here. CH2, CH3, and then we have CH2, CH3. Then we have CH here. 3. There, nakabutang. Okay, class. Asa ta mag-count? No, di naman din eh. Then here we have CH. And we have CH again. We have CH2, CH3. Ito mag-count class. To the left, to the right.
Right, ma'am.
Sa left, ma'am.
Ay, same ramen gyapon class, no? If we count from here, then here, pila ka buka itong 1, 2, 3, 8. Now, if let's just count it straight. Okay. Straight again. So, whichever na lang. Okay, so let's count straight na lang class kaning red one. So, we have 1. Okay. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, correct. To the right, mag-count. Okay. So, since it has 8, so we will prefix or the first name will be, the parent chain is oct. Oct. And then single bond, ane. Okay, oct. And then what about the substituents class? For the substituents, we have 3 ethyl. Class, are you? And then we have 7 ethyl. Okay. Class. Hello. Ano? Hello.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Dili ba siya 9, ma'am?
9 siya, 9?
9, ma'am.
O count?
9 man ata, ma'am.
Mag-straight ratag count. Okay, 9. Di ay wait.
Yung sa 7, yung
That
sa 7.
is, ano no? Nine siya. Wait sa class ha. Sige, balik ta. Diri. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Asa ta mag-count og 9? Diri sa? Okay, asa ta mag-count sa? Diri? Diri no?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so that's 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, that's 9. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, so diri data mag-count. Okay. Diri ay. Okay. Diri data makakuha og pinaka-longest. See. So, it's 9. So, what is that? That is
None, ma'am.
nonane. No, okay. That one, non. Okay, since this is ano, alkane, single bond, and what about the substituents? We have will be unsa class? We will count from here, gapon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're a class, or we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As a class. Now, let's try kaning yellow na to nga pag-count. If we will count from yellow, we will the substituents will be okay. The substituents will be 1, 2, 3. 3 methyl. And then we will also have 6. And then we have 7 ethyl. Okay. Okay, using the block that's from right. Okay, so the substituents will be 3 ethyl, 4, and we have 7 methyl. Okay. All right. Okay, pa class. Okay, so this one. So, asa ta magka... Oh, this is 7 plus 6. That is 13, 16. So, this is 10, 16. This is for... Dapat mag-count una class is here. From the right. Okay, so from the right. Okay, from the right, then we will have our substituents. Okay, let's write that one. It will be ethyl and methyl. Which comes first is ethyl. So we will have 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Then that so, can I check? question? Okay, do you have questions?
Wala nakita, ma'am.
Wala.
Wala na mo nakita, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Oh.
Like sa number 3 ganiya, ma'am. Nabali ang na-dimethyl na po ang nauna, ma'am.
Okay, sige, the same gihap. Di na siya okay. So 3-ethyl, 4,7-dimethyl. Okay, kinsay rock. Okay. So let's go back. Okay, let's go back. All right. Now we have sure. Simple. We will just write. Again, 9 straight sa atong kuanon. Straight, no? We have 8 mato straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. And then in carbon 2 man to. We have CH ethyl group here. Ethyl. Okay. And then we have here, methyl. And then we have here na CH2. Ethyl again. Okay, so do you have the same, do we have the same structure?
Excuse me, ma'am. Di makita, ma'am.
Ito makita. The struggle is real. Okay. But class, nakita naman niyo nakagets na kayo mo sa iyang pag-name and then pag-write sa structure. So in our second activity and the third one, so in cyclo, alkane, alkene, lang. You check alkenes and alkynes. I'll video lagi hapon, then you check. So for now, in ato ang i-check nga kanang naam mo. Okay. Okay, now let's go back. Kita na class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, all right. Okay, now what about the structure class? Okay, let's write the structure. Okay, for the structure, we will have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ano to no? 1, 2, okay, bind. And then we have sa carbon 2 kay then the next one kay 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have bind again, C, and then here we put ano na dayon binding? We put bonds. Okay, so kinsay naka-check?
Ma'am, dili
Okay,
makita,
kinsa
ma'am.
naka-check ani
Dili
class?
makita, ma'am. Dili
Ma'am,
makita.
dili na,
Class,
ma'am.
istorya din mo makita. Struggle. Okay. Kita na? Alright. Class. Kita na?
Ma'am.
Okay, for the bond structure. Okay. So you put H na lang dayon, then you will get a correct H, H, H. Do you have questions, class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Kanibang kan mo kanang diri dapat sa sa ubos bitaw ma'am nabali ma'am na si mabaw pwede ra.
Oh, pwede ah.
Thank you ma'am.
Mm-mm. What else? Okay, so let's go. We have okay, number saan ito? Number 6 hapit na. Okay, what is given? Okay, this one. Let's try. That is this one. Okay, and then we have this one. Then this one. And
Di
then this
makita, ma'am.
Okay, di makita chapon.
Dili, ma'am.
Okay. Kita na.
Yes, ma'am. Kita na, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, so mag-name. Where will we start? With a 1, 3, 6. Class 1, 2, 3. Okay, marag kini siya. Okay, dirita mag-name. And then this will explain.
Makita, ma'am.
And then we have na 12 na hapit class. 12 ratatama no. Pag-video ako. And you check your works na lang dayon. Okay, that will be higzay. The third, kill group is in the third hexane. Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what about the condensed structure? Sure, 6 man na siya dira. So, let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nasa third carbon. Okay, so that one. Check.
May
Class.
kita, ma'am.
Makita, ma'am.
Ay makita, ma'am.
Kita na?
Yes, ma'am. Nakita na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so kabalo na mo mo ko na ng kaning complete structure. Kamu na lang sulat class kung sa complete structure. Okay ra? Hello. Draw ra mo
Excuse me,
siya.
ma'am.
Yes.
The same ra siya sa condensed pagkasulat, ma'am.
Ang unsa ang inyong complete structure?
Yes, ma'am.
Ay, structure ganin yung class. Pretend mo drawing mo aning line band structure and then you put dayon. Bay mag-drawing ta. We have
But
this.
naman siya H, ma'am.
Ay, unsa din gibutangan ninyo lines, bonds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay ra, sige. Have that too. Alam mo na siya, oh. Then see. Then we have here. Then we have here. Then we have anong gihapon? C na pod.
May makita, ma'am.
Wala pod nakita. Kita na? Oh,
Okay
that
na,
one
ma'am.
class. Okay na. Then H. Okay. One ko na lang siya, isa na lang. Pwede put. Okay, you have that one, the same. Huh? Okay, you have that answer. Okay, class, check na. Sige, let's go to number 7. Last na, yay. Okay, we have number 7. We are given with this one. Okay, isopropyl pentane. Okay, we have the parent chain, which is pentane. So let's write that one. We have C and okay. Class, makita pa? 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we also have I know siya. Okay, so after that we will put sa isopropyl. So iso, it's in 3. Iso 1, 2, 3. Okay, a bond here. When we have an iso is on isopropyl. So it has no, like this. Okay. It, okay, so we have no. So we will connect the iso here. Iso. The iso forms like this. Okay. When you see nga in ani ang forma, that is an iso. Isopropyl. Isopropyl. Okay? So, just remember that one. We have that one. And then we will write the bonds. So this one has C here. C. Okay, I'll write that one. So C here and then bond. So if you see kanang murag ana class, a letter Y, that is an iso. Okay, let's form bonds na dayon. H, 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 H. Okay, who got the correct answer here? Oh no, didi. Okay, kaya si di ba ani kaya ano pa man ni siya? Okay, correct answer. Of okay, the structure. So we will have that is this one. 1, 5, and then okay, kinsa naka-check? Class?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Makita ang line structure, ma'am.
Yes. Hindi na po makita. That one. Okay, kita.
Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
Okay na,
Yes, ma'am.
This is our complete structure, and this is our line bond structure. Now let's go to the condensed one. And no, for the condensed, so we will have no 1, 2, 3, 4. Makita? And it is in 3. 1, 2, 3. Then that's easy. Okay, wait. Okay, we have that one. That is C, and then C, and then C. And then we have H3, and then H3. Okay, so that one. Okay, if you have that one, then you are correct. Say question. Basta class, ang ISO is,
Condensed
ano siya, letter
structure.
Y. Or if you write it like this, ano, mas condensed yun siya class. We have this one, CH3, CH, and then C, then we have CH3, 2. Oh, kinsa nag-answer ani? Class. So if you answer this one, then you got it right. Okay, class. Finish na? Class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if okay na, then okay. So I will sa G class o kaning pharmacy submit, and then you put the total score, ha? Okay, so for today, but before we go, let's take a photo. Okay. Okay. Open camera. Cristito, Ranel, Oporto, Cabornay, Albert, Allen, Ukay, Mirontos. Pila kasagara inyong score, guys?
Mo din explain
Class.
ma.
Igo
Asa ni
ra.
Taman? 3 times 21,
Di ba ihap
42,
akong
no?
zero, ma'am?
Ha? Okay, sige na, open camera. Open camera kay manguli na ta. 1, 2, sige, 3 minutes. Okay, sige, di na lang, bahala na. Open camera. Open cam. Tanan. Okay, open cam. Si Kata si Arnel. Okay. So, hello. Cyril. Nadugaya mag-open cam sa ban. Mamalik na lang po dayon ta. Sige na, class, open cam. Karon na ni mag-open cam ta kay ako na ibutang sa album. Go. Sige na, si Cristito. Gian. Okay. Ready? Sige na, class.
Oy, pag-open na pud mo ay.
Lagi. KJ kaayong ubon. Sige na, pud mo. Pag-open cam na pud
Igutom.
mo. Di kita mangulig. Di mo mag-open cam. Sige na. One. Sige ha. Si Daphne, wala pa jud. Then si Janlo, si Cyril, si Mark, Justin, si Efrina, si Judy, nibalik na po si Denrix, i-off na lang nila, si Sarah. Pakita na mo, class, kay na si Michelle, si Jody, si Joyce Ann, Loribel, Carneline, okay, si Albert, si Allen, open cam. Okay, Tugaya. Okay ha, mag-count ko tamag 5 and then you open cam, then let's go na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open camera, smile. Ako rang si Con. Angela mo nag-open dong.
Ma'am, naka-open naman.
Ay, nag-open. Wait, sabi.
Ngisi-ngisi namin man may diri, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Wait ka.
Ma'am.
Leo. Sige. Ha, 1, 2, 3. Ini ka 5. Open dayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smile. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
All right.
ma'am.
All right, so that's all for today. Now, hope that you have learned how to name and draw the structures of alkane. So next time, I will give you a video, then you will just check your work by referring to the video I made. Okay, so, and then, sa inyong score ha, inig makabuhat na ko dito sa G-class o kanang pasanan. God bless!
Excuse me.
Oh, yes?
Excuse me.
Ma'am,
Ha?
pinaka mo sulod unya. Pinaka mo sulod.
Napaunya? Okay. Dili na class. Unsa unya nato class laboratory?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Picturean ra. Yes.
Ma'am, picture na na mo score, ma'am, no?
Oh. Apil inyong gichikan. Okay. Pila ka sagar yung score? That's 42. So, isend ninyo that to when pag makasulat, makabuhat na ko. Bye-bye!
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you. God bless.